Changing the email link to your Yahoo Mail account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account security. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Update recovery email. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Verify new email. After entering the new email address, Yahoo will send a verification link to that email. Check your new email inbox and click on the verification link to confirm the change. Step 5. Save changes. Return to your Yahoo account settings and ensure that the new email address is listed as your recovery email. Save any changes you made during this process. By following these steps, you can successfully change the email link to your Yahoo Mail account. If you encounter any issues, refer to Yahoo's Help Center for further assistance.